Hey guys, Scott with Disaster Preparedness Specialist, and I'm with
Natalie.
Daddy-daughter Disaster Preparedness, and today we're going to go over the property water. So if you need to shut off your property water, we're going to show you how to do it. So you also need to remember you have your house water and the property water. There's two different water shutoffs. The property water we're going to show you will shut off the water to your whole property and the house.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is this tool, and it's a really handy tool when it comes to when you want to access your property water, your property water. So what you do,
So the property water is usually always in the front of your house on the sidewalk, okay?
so it'll look like this, and it will say water on it, but
It should say water on it.
okay, so what you do is you take this pointy part and you put it inside this little not triangle, rectangle shape.
I'm glad you know your shapes.
I forgot for a second. And you pull it up and you'll be able to access your water.
Yeah, so you can just pull this up and move it out of the way, like that. This one is like a plastic. A lot of times they're concrete.
Alright,
So you want to move that away. And then you can see in here
so
your
we're
water.
going to show you guys what it looks like.
So if you look here, you see there's a couple valves going on. You have this one here, which will turn off the water to your property. So all you need to do is with this one is turn this a quarter of a turn, so this circle lines up with this circle. So those two are together. And this one right here goes out to the main line, and you have this little part of the tool. It says water, and you can just put this in here and you crank that a quarter of a turn, so those circle line up as well. All right guys, so also how you can tell if your water is leaking somewhere in the house, just look at the dial here, and this one here has this little blue thing right there, that little blue dial. That will be spinning if the water is running somewhere in the house. So let me show you. I'm gonna go turn the water on. Okay, so the water's on, and you now see that dial is spinning. So if all your water is off in the house and that dial is spinning, then there's a leak somewhere. All right, so with your tool that you have, you don't want to be rummaging around looking for this thing. So I keep all of my tools in my home kit, my emergency home kit. So you want to make sure you have access to all your tools in case of an emergency. You know, don't be putting these in drawers all over the house, so when you need it the most, you're looking for it and you don't know where it is. Keep all your tools in one location. Like I have all my tools in my emergency home kit, and that's in our closet by the door, so it's all ready to go. So as always, if you have any questions with any of the videos, please let us know and we will answer all your questions. Thanks for watching, and
Have a great day.
And be safe, be knowledgeable, and be prepared.
Goodbye.
This tool is a 4-in-1 emergency tool. It shuts off your gas, your water, pries open doors, and will dig through debris. This tool acts as a pry bar and it won't spark or rust. If you want to get this tool, go check out the link below. Bye!
Hey guys, Scott.
Okay, go. I eat that lunch. Hey.
No, don't. Oh, my back. And as always, if you have any questions, hit us up. So as always, if you...
You're like, hit us up.